If you love collecting stamps, but you find yourself losing track of what you have, where did you get it, and what it's worth, this spreadsheet can absolutely help you. This is my stamp collection tracker, and I will show you how it works. It has 2 tabs to help you to stay organized so you can track the value and what you own and where is it located. This sheet works in Google Sheets and Excel. You can buy it on my website at savvyandthriving.com. First, this is your stamp collection tracker. Everything that you put in here will go onto the dashboard. This will show you how many total stamps that you own, what's the value of your collection. You can also see which stamps are rare, uncommon, unique, and what's the value of those groups. You can also rank your top 10 stamps that you have. You can put in the date, and what stamp is it, and things like that. You can see the total number of items owned and the total value here as well. When you put in the item, you can just put in the name, your description, the catalog number, what series did it come from, what's the face value of the stamp, what date did you collect it, what date was it issued. It will tell you the age of your stamp. You can choose what condition it is, the centering, the rarity. You can give it a value. How much did you purchase it for? And where did you get it from? If there's a serial number, what the insurance value is of the item, and any notes for your stamps. If you need other sheets to stay organized, I have over 500 sheets on my website to help you to organize your home, your life, your business, your finances, and more. Feel free to take a look around. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great day.